In this video, I'll show you how you can post an article on LinkedIn. So this is very simple. The first way is by creating a new post, and you will see this option write article under the start a post. So just click on this write article. And from here, you just simply can title your article, write here your description. You can also upload your image. You have also some formatting options. You can make bold text here, and then once you are done here, you just need to click next. And this is the first way how you can upload your article. The second way is if you have your article as some kind of document, you can just click on start a post, and then from here click on this plus button and just click on add a document, and from here you will choose your file from your computer, and that's it. That's how you can post an article on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.